Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit a picture with formal attire in Canva. This is a great way to give photos a more professional, business-ready look using simple editing tools. On our Canva dashboard, let's take an example and insert a person. For this example, let's insert this person so we can add some formal attire. As you can see, there is no formal attire on them yet. Now, we need to find a formal attire. Let's search for a formal attire PNG. We will choose this one. We will download it. Let's save this image. Once that's done, we need to upload the image. Now, take a look at the image here. As you can see, we already have the image ready. After uploading, all we need to do is click the image. We will adjust it so that it fits the person we want to add the attire to. We just need to configure how it lines up. Let's make a few small adjustments. We will crop it so it fits. We can stretch it a little, then move and place the picture. Here, we can position it so it sits nicely. Now, let's adjust this a little so it fits the person well. All we need to do now is cut these pictures and group them together. Then, we just need to adjust things to make the attire look right. This part depends on your preferences. Now, all we have to do is adjust it like this. As you can see, the person now has a suit, a formal attire. With just a few simple adjustments, that's how we edit a picture with formal attire in Canva.